Tesla Cybertruck is designed to have the utility of a truck and the performance of a sports car. The vehicle is built to be durable, versatile and capable, with exceptional performance both on-road and off-road. Tesla Cybertruck will come in 3 variants: single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive. Tesla Cybertruck specs range 500 plus miles 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration, 2.9 seconds towing capacity, more than 14,000 pounds payload, up to 3,500 pounds vault length, 6.5 feet storage capacity, 100 cubic feet of exterior, lockable storage including the vault, frunk, and sail pillars, suspension, 4 in either direction touchscreen size, 17 body, ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. If there was something better, we'd use it. Seating capacity, up to 6 adults. Charging, can be charged at home, at destination charging locations, and with our network of more than 14,000 superchargers, including on our newest V3 technology, which is helpful for long hauls and towing. Tesla presented the production version of the Cybertruck on November 30th, 2023 at an event at their headquarters in Austin, Texas. During the event, first customers took delivery of their vehicles. The top model, called the Cyberbeast, has a total output of 845 horsepower and 10,296 pounds-ft of wheel torque. It is capable of a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in 2.6 seconds with rollout subtracted and can reach a 130 miles per hour top speed. The estimated range of the Tesla Cybertruck is up to 340 miles for the all-wheel drive model, while the towing capacity is 11,000 pounds.